Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable OneDrive Known Folder Move, which allows you to automatically back up your important folders like desktop, documents, and pictures directly to OneDrive. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the bottom right part of your screen where your system tray is located. This is the area near your clock and other notification icons. From here, you'll see the OneDrive icon. Go ahead and click on it, and a small OneDrive window will slide up from the bottom of your screen. This window gives you quick access to your OneDrive settings and recent files, making it easy to manage your cloud storage without opening a full browser window. Now, to enable OneDrive Known Folder Move, look at the top right part of your OneDrive window and click on the gear icon. This icon represents your settings and configuration options. Once you click it, a small context menu will appear with several options. From this list, click on Settings. This will open the OneDrive Settings window, which is where you'll find all the important configuration options for managing how OneDrive works on your computer. With the OneDrive Settings window now open, navigate to the left-hand menu. Here you'll see various sections for customizing your OneDrive experience. Click on the Manage Backup option. This section specifically controls which folders are automatically synced to your OneDrive account, ensuring your important files are always backed up and accessible from any device. Within the Manage Backup settings, look for and click on the Manage Backup button. This button opens the configuration panel where you can control exactly which folders get moved to OneDrive. From here, you'll see a list of known folders that OneDrive can back up for you. These typically include your desktop, documents, and pictures folders, which are the most commonly used locations for storing personal files. Now simply toggle any known folder that you want to move to your OneDrive. Each folder you enable will be automatically synced and backed up to the cloud, giving you peace of mind that your files are safe even if something happens to your computer. Once you've configured which known folders you want to move, click on Save Changes. OneDrive will now begin syncing those folders to your cloud storage, and any files you add to them in the future will automatically be backed up as well. And that's it. You've successfully enabled OneDrive Known Folder Move, ensuring your most important files are continuously backed up to the cloud. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.